Hello children, today we are going to study further about algebraic expression. This is the third video for standard 7. In the previous video, we understood what algebraic expression is and what are the terms and what are the various types of algebraic expression. Here today we are going to learn about the factors of a term. Now what are the factors of a term? What is a term? We should make it clear first. When we have numericals and variables multiplied together, they form a term. Okay, and then each one of this is a factor of the term. Like in 5xy, the constant factor is 5, which is also known as the numerical factor. And the variable factors or the literal factors are xy. So, how do we factorize xy? Xy is equal to xy into 1. Xy is equal to x into y. So what are the factors? We got xy, we got x and y. So the literal factors are x, y and xy. Coming to the next example, we have minus 6x square z. The numerical factor is what? Minus 6. And the literal factors, we will factorize this and find out. X square z is equal to x square z into 1. This is equal to xz into x. This is equal to z into x square. So we have here x square, x, z, xz and x square z. Okay, then come to a cube b, another example. We can write this as a cube b into 1. Then a square b into a. Then we have ab into a square. Then we have b into a cube. So we can write this as a square, a cube, b, ab, a square b and a cube b. Similar way, you can factorize other terms also. The numerical factor, here we don't have any numerical factor, right? Then what will be the numerical factor? If I ask you to write a numerical factor for this, then what will be the numerical factor? The numerical factor is 1, because 1 into a cube b, nothing is written means it is 1. Then coming to the constant term, the term that has no literal factor. Look at this expression, it is 2x minus 4y plus 8. 8 over here has no literal factor, no x, y, z attached to it, a, b, c, nothing is attached to it, right? No literal factor or no variable attached to it, you can say. So this 8 is the constant term. In the next expression, 2x minus 4y minus 8. Here what will be the constant term? The constant term is going to be minus 8 because it has a negative value. So the terms which have no literal factor are constant terms. Then come to the coefficient. Coefficient. Now what is coefficient? Any factor of a term is called the coefficient of the product of rest of the factors of the term. And the numerical factor attached to the variable, the numerical factor that is attached to the variable is called the numerical coefficient. Okay, this is the numerical coefficient, and this 18xy square, the numerical coefficient is 18 and xy square is the literal coefficient. Now when we write the coefficient of the product of all the remaining factors, then how do we write? We take this example, okay. We have taken minus 6x y square z, right? Then here the numerical coefficient is minus 6 and the literal coefficient is x y square z. Okay, then when I write coefficient of x, when I will write coefficient of x, what do I have? I have minus 6 y square z remaining. Okay, so it will be minus 6 y square z. When we write coefficient of y square, what is remaining? I have, this is the term that I have taken, okay. I have minus 6 y square is taken out, then x z. Then coefficient of z is minus 6 x y square. Then coefficient of y is going to be what? I have minus 6 x y. We are finding out the coefficient of y, but here it is y square, then remaining one factor is y and then z. So what is coefficient? For when we write the factors of a term, any of the factor of a term is called the coefficient of the product of all the remaining factors. Any factor of a term, these are the factors, any factor of a term is called the coefficient of the products of the remaining factors of the term. Here we are finding out, when we are finding out coefficient of x, then what are the remaining factors over here? Whatever remaining factors are over here, that is the coefficient of x. Remaining factors are minus 6 y square z. So the factors are minus 6 y square z. Then coming to the next term. Next, like term. What is like term? You have learned like fraction, isn't it? Now here we are going to learn about like term. Like fraction you have learned, you have studied like decimals also. Now what is like term? When terms have same literal coefficient, like 2xy and 6xy. These two terms, here it is 2xy, here it is minus 6xy. The literal coefficient over here is xy and the literal coefficient over here is xy. Both are same, so this is like term. When the literal coefficients are same, then they are like term. Look at the next example, 3a square b and 6ab square. This is a square b, ab square. They are different, isn't it? Here it is a to the power 2, here a is to the power 1. Here b is to the power 1 and here b is to the power 2. So, they are unlike terms. Like terms, same literal coefficient. Okay? Coefficient, what is coefficient? When any of the factor of a term is called the coefficient of the product of the remaining factors of the term. and the numerical that is attached to it is known as the numerical coefficient, and the variables are the literal coefficient. Okay, what is constant term? Term which has no literal factor is a constant term. And we understood what factors of a term are. In the next video, we are going to do the polynomials. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you.